Merhabalar, Lema Klinik'ten Doktor İbrahim ben. Bugün hastamız Merik'le beraberiz. Merik bizi Amerika'dan ziyaret ediyor. Kanin dişlerine beyaz altın diş yapacağız. Everything is good.
I'm healthy. Everything is good.
Very
Yes,
nice.
absolutely. And I had such an amazing experience here at Lima Clinic. They gave me my dream smile and everything that I've always wanted out of a smile, especially with a couple gold teeth as well. I was in a car wreck a few years ago that left me with some major trauma to my lower jaw, and coming here they were able to assess that and give me a 10 out of 10 experience, and I am leaving with the best smile that I could have ever asked for. The doctors were the best doctors that I've ever had, and they are 10 out of 10. I would recommend every single doctor is specialized every step of the way, and they will help you to feel safe and secure and informed of every part of the process. I want to thank Lima Clinic for giving me the best experience possible, for giving me the best smile possible, and I want to recommend everybody to this clinic. And until next time, guys, we'll see you guys later.